Okay, guys, so Peter is back. There's Peter. Krista, she's short, and so her her waders flooded. They're full of water. Let's take a look in the bucket. Let's see what we got. Ooh, look at all.
We got quite a few different fish species in here. As you can see, most of them are centrarchids. So largemouth bass, bluegill, green sunfish.
Cool. Good. So now we're going to take them out and we're going to try our best to talk about characteristics for each of them. And I guess I'll let Peter, he pulled one out already. So let him put the first one in. So we're going to put it in that...
Helps if they're both upright. But so these two are two very similar looking centrarchid species, both of which you need to know. So this guy here is a bluegill. So compared to this guy, the green sunfish, has that much smaller mouth. It has these kind of darker vertical bars with a black spot right here on the back of its dorsal fin. And then it's hard to see, but I'll pull them out later and show you the pectoral fin on a bluegill. It's long and pointed compared to this green sunfish. You can see it has a really big mouth. It has kind of different color paterations here along the side. It's more bland in coloration without those dark vertical bars. And then the pectoral fin is rounded.
All right.
See if we have two more in here, because it's hard to get fish in and out of there. So this is another bluegill. I'll try and show you the pectoral fin. So here's the pectoral fin on a bluegill, and if you fold it forward, you can see it goes way past the eye. So that's compared to, if I can find another green sunfish in here. This green sunfish, which has that white spot on the opercle, has this short, round fin. So if you push it towards the eye, it barely gets there. Sometimes it'll be about halfway, but it definitely will not go past the eye. So those are two easy characteristics if you have two live fish in front of you. So this guy's a little big to put in the viewing tank, but
some people who fish should know what this one is.
This is a largemouth bass, juvenile. So even at juvenile stage, you can see that jaw is just past the eye. If you were to draw a vertical line right here, when that jaw is closed.
There we go. Yeah, hopefully you can see that mouth.
And so, like I was saying about these two dorsal fins, this first one sort of lays down, but if you pull it up, you can see that distinct spiny and soft dorsal fins. Has the green kind of pattern with that bar that runs along the lateral line of the fish.
Ooh. Do we need to know that one?
Let me see, what other ones do we have in here? We can do the lamprey. So this is the juvenile or amosete stage of a lamprey. So it's likely a Leasebrook lamprey, the one you need to know for class. You can see it has those 7 gill slits or pouches on the side. It's jawless with a sucking mouth.
Let's see if we can get that jaw. Do you see it on that side or no?
Yeah.
There we go. Oh yeah.
So it has 2 little teeth, sort of rasps on things. It actually, at this stage, just eats detritus or filters out stuff of the water column. You can see that indented dorsal fin here.
Yeah.
And no paired fins. So this guy is pretty unique.
All right, I'm gonna stop and
Yep.
we'll come back.